Welcome to English Listening Practice. In this video, you will hear 4 statements about a picture. When you hear the statements, you must select one statement that best describes the picture.
Question number 1. A. Liquid is being heated. B. A student is pouring liquid. C. Test tubes are on the rack. D. They're examining the slides. Question number 2. A. Students are washing glassware. B. Goggles are on the hook. C. Chemicals are being mixed. D. A teacher is demonstrating. Question number 3. A. They're examining the slides. B. A student is at the sink. C. Glassware is being rinsed. D. The lab benches are empty. Question number 4. A. The beaker is empty. B. A student is washing the glass. C. Liquid is being heated. D. The burner is turned off. Question number 5. A. Notes are on the shelf. B. A student is writing notes. C. Equipment is being cleaned. D. 2 people are talking. Question number 6. A. Test tubes are on bench. B. A student is pouring liquid. C. Liquids are being heated. D. Students are wearing goggles. Question number 7. A. Water is on the floor. B. Glassware is being stored. C. They're examining microscopes. D. A student is rinsing glassware. Question number 8. A. A student is leaving lab. B. An extinguisher is on wall. C. Chemicals are being spilled. D. People are at the sink. Question number 9. A. A teacher is demonstrating. B. Goggles are being worn. C. They're talking at bench. D. Slides are under microscopes. Question number 10. A. Students are wearing goggles. B. A student is pouring liquid. C. Coats are being washed. D. Goggles are on the hook. Here are the answers for all 10 questions. The detailed answers for each question will follow.
Answer number 1. Answer B. Because the student in a lab coat pours blue liquid from a beaker into a flask on the bench. A. Is wrong because no flame or burner heats the liquid. C. Is wrong because no test tube rack appears in this photo. D. Is wrong because no microscopes or slides are visible. Answer number 2. Answer D. Because the teacher in goggles stands at the front bench pointing at a flask with colored liquid while two students watch from behind. A. Is wrong because no sink or glassware washing appears. B. Is wrong because the goggles are on the teacher's face, not on a hook. C. Is wrong because the teacher explains, not mixing chemicals. Answer number 3. Answer A. Because two students lean into compound microscopes while slides rest on trays beside them. B. Is wrong because the students stand at the bench, not at a sink. C. Is wrong because no glassware is being rinsed in the photo. D. Is wrong because students and equipment fill the bench, so it is not empty. Answer number 4. Answer C. Because the liquid inside the beaker is visibly being heated by the flame. A. Is wrong because the beaker contains bubbling liquid. B. Is wrong because no one is washing the glass. D. Is wrong because the burner is lit and producing a large flame. Answer number 5. Answer B. Because the student in goggles sits writing observations in an open lab notebook with a pen. A. Is wrong because the notebook lies open on the bench, not on a shelf. C. Is wrong because no equipment is being cleaned in the photo. D. Is wrong because only one student appears, not two people talking. Answer number 6. Answer A. Because a row of test tubes with colored liquids stands in a wooden rack on the lab bench. B. Is wrong because no student appears in the photo. C. Is wrong because no burner or flame heats the liquids. D. Is wrong because no students are visible wearing goggles. Answer number 7. Answer D. Because the student in goggles holds a beaker under running faucet water at the lab sink. A. Is wrong because the water flows into the basin, not onto the floor. B. Is wrong because the student rinses glassware, not storing it in cabinets. C. Is wrong because the scene is at the sink with no microscopes visible. Answer number 8. Answer B. Because a red fire extinguisher hangs on a wall bracket beside the lab door with no people in the photo. A. Is wrong because no student appears leaving the lab. C. Is wrong because no chemicals are spilling or staining the area. D. Is wrong because no people stand at a sink in this corner shot. Answer number 9. Answer C. Because two students lean toward an open notebook and gestured toward a beaker on the shared bench. A. Is wrong because no teacher appears in the photo. B. Is wrong because the goggles rest on the bench, not being worn. D. Is wrong because no microscopes or slides appear in this scene. Answer number 10. Answer D. Because clear safety goggles hang from a metal hook on the wall beside lab coats on pegs with no people in the photo. A. Is wrong because no students appear wearing goggles. B. Is wrong because no pouring action or liquid appears. C. Is wrong because the coats hang on pegs, not being washed.